So today I'm going to be showing you how to use some aspects of Google Draw. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a box around the job title. So we are going to go to Insert and then Drawing, New, and then it's going to pull up Drawing, and then we're going to do Shape. Since we're doing a circle, where you can click on the circle, and we're going to make, we're gonna circle the salary first. So we're gonna make a circle, and then we're gonna make the inside to where it's transparent. We're gonna save and close. And then it's going to appear, and we're gonna edit it to where it can go behind the text. And then we're going to move it right here, edit the circle a little bit to fit what we want. And next we're going to draw a box around the job title. So we're going to go back up to Insert into Google Draw. And then we're going to wait for this to load. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to click Shapes, except now we're drawing a box. So we're going to do like this. Get our box ready. Exit out the middle. Save and close. It's going to appear. I'm going to bring it up to where we would like it. Oh, let me do this. So, fix our box. Perfect. And next what we're going to do is highlight how we can apply. So we're going to click the highlighter in the yellow. We're going to highlight that. And that is how to use a couple of things. And to save it, we use this file, and then save it. And then it's automatically saved into our Google Docs as well.